With another performance which is going to be a special duet on electoral theme by CatxLizz. Cat and Liz are two YouTuber sisters from Shillong, and the duo is known for their songs like XPF, Ukpaki Khon, that comedy social issues. Definitely. A big shout out to Cat and Liz, the stage is all yours. Well, besides their unique, cheap and easy DIYs and their conspicuous glittery hair, I think it's very hard to miss out on Cat and Liz. Let's register today. It is a song to urge 18-year-olds to register to vote and practice their right and responsibility to take part in elections and choose their leaders. A reminder that the future is in our hands and that registering can be easily done online. So Cat and Liz, the stage is all yours.
Woo!